In this video, we'll walk through the steps in installing Snow Atlas Agent for Windows. Before we can start installing Snow Atlas Agent for Windows, let us make sure we discuss about the prerequisites. First prerequisite is to ensure C++ Redistributable is installed. Let me guide you to verify if C++ Redistributable is installed in the machine. Click the Windows button. Click Control Panel. Click Programs. Click Programs and Features. Check if you see C++ installation from the list. Click View Installed Updates. If you don't see C++ Redistributable is installed, you will have to install it first before proceeding further. To download C++ Redistributable, click the Windows Start button, then click Microsoft Edge. Type C++ Redistributable Download. Click the link provided by Microsoft. Scroll down and choose the appropriate architecture for your machine. In my case, I am using 64-bit machine. Click the link to start the download. Wait until it finished downloading. Now we have downloaded C++ Redistributable, it is time to install it to our machine. Click the File Explorer. Navigate to the Downloads folder. Right-click on the file, then click Run as Administrator. Accept the software licensing terms. Then click Install. Wait until it finished the installation, then click Close. You have now successfully installed C++ Redistributable and met the first prerequisite. On to our next prerequisite. Second requirement is to make sure operating system version and architecture is supported. Let me help you on how to know what operating system and architecture your machine is using. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Click on System. Under System Type you will see which architecture your machine is using. My machine is using 64-bit architecture. Go down under Edition, you will find the operating system and version. Now, the question arises. Where to find the supported operating system? First, open a web browser. Then, type docs-snow.flexera.com, then press Enter. Click on More Products, then click Snow Inventory Agents and Oracle Scanners. On the left pane, click Compatibility Matrix. On this page, you will see different operating systems available for Snow Agent. Scroll down to see the current supported operating system versions for Microsoft Windows. We can see that Microsoft Windows Server 2022 64-bit is supported if we are using Snow Atlas Agent for Windows version 7.3.2. Now, we can tick off our second prerequisites. The third prerequisite is to have administrator rights when installing the Snow Atlas Agent for Windows. The Snow Atlas Windows Agent is designed to run using the highest operating system privileges. This is by design to ensure that an operating system can be entirely scanned, inventoried, and measured. Running the agent under limited privileges may result in inconsistent or partial scanning results, depending on how the agent is configured. Under some circumstances it may not inventory running processes or not run at all. Due to the diversity of possible configurations, running the agent with limited privileges is not supported. Last but not the least, the Snow Atlas Windows Agent MSI installer. The Snow Inventory Agents collect inventory data from the computers in your organization, enabling you to manage and control your software assets via Snow Atlas or Snow License Manager. Snow Inventory Agent for Windows inventories Windows computers. The agent scans the computer and saves the collected data to a compressed and encrypted file called Snowpack. The Snowpack is sent to Snow Extender for Snow Atlas. For on-premise, the Snowpack is sent to Snow Inventory Server. Raise a support ticket to request for Snow Atlas Windows Agent. Otherwise, if you have access to Snow Atlas Package Builder, you can create it from there. For learn more about the prerequisites, please visit the Snow Flexera online documentation for added information. Go to docs-snow.flexera.com. Click on More Products. Click Snow Inventory Agent and Oracle Scanners. You will find further information about Snow Inventory Agent on this page. Well done! You have completed the prerequisites. Now, let us dive in and get our hands dirty in installing the Snow Atlas Windows Agent. Flexera Support was kind enough to generate the Snow Atlas Windows Agent for us to use. Now, right-click and select Run as Different User. Remember that one of the prerequisites is to install it with administrator rights. Type in the administrator credential. Click OK when done. Wait until the dialog box disappears. Once it disappears, the installation is completed. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed Snow Atlas Windows Agent onto your machine. Finally, let us understand the installation process of Snow Atlas Windows Agent. This will guide us if you have a successful installation of the Snow Atlas Windows Agent. The file is a MSI installer. When you hover the file, it shows quick overview of the file. When you are done with the installation, the Snow Atlas Windows Agent will create a Windows System Environment variable called Snow_Agent. By default, Snow Atlas Windows Agent will be stored under C. Program File Snow Software. Inventory. Agent folder. You may have more or less files than what you are seeing right now depending on your business needs. The two main files to watch for are the Snow Agent application executable file. And the other file is called the snowagent.config. This holds the settings for your Snow Atlas Windows Agent. Also, during the installation, Snow Atlas Windows Agent will create a service under the Microsoft Services. Scroll down and look for the service called Snow Inventory Agent. It is important that the Snow Inventory Agent service must be in the running state and the logon as being local system. Having those in place will ensure smooth operation of the Snow Atlas Windows Agent. Great job! This concludes the how to install Snow Atlas Windows Agent. Thank you for your continued learning and support in using Flexera. Until next time.